It's caper time! And you know what? They grow on the most spectacular places. This beauty is the caper flower. Look. And these things are the flower buds. Those are our capers. After the flowers, we get the caper apples. There are none here yet, but I'll come back for those. Wash them well, because there's always a lot of ants on them. Then we take the little stems off and check if there's not like little holes from worms or whatever. I put the big ones in a separate bowl. They taste the same, they just become a little bit more soggy. So yeah, if you have recipes for the blender, that's when you use the bigger ones. If you don't have enough to fill up the bottle completely, fill it up with water all the way to the top anyway. You do not want too much oxygen in there. Let's see what it's done. I will show you how much gases have built up in the bottle, and then I'm gonna give it fresh water, and you keep doing that every day until no more gases come out. I can tell that the bottle even has swollen up. That's why I use plastic. Alright, here it comes. And a little one with the big capers. I didn't film yesterday, but I did give it clean water. So this is day 3. Nothing left. This is going really well. This one, a little bit. I'm gonna dry them now. They were ready so quickly. Normally it's 4, 5 days. Maybe because I picked them so early. I don't know. We'll see if I pick them later, if it takes longer. It's just something I want to show you. We had a little explosion of beauty overnight. Back to work. They have their typical caper spots now. Now I'll let them dry in the shade for 1 or 2 days until they become like raisins. Time to check on the capers. Yes! They've spent 2 days in the shade, well ventilated, and they have dents and they look perfect. The trick is to not fill your jars up too much. The capers will absorb the vinegar and swell up. I use apple vinegar, just like it. I think you can use all vinegars. Sometimes I have to add more vinegar after a few days. Give them a few weeks and you've got lovely capers to cook with.